Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Irshant Gautam from IGBMC, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create Pareto chart. Whether you are new data analysis or just looking to improve your skill, this video will guide you through each step to help you better visualize and prioritize data. So let's get started and make data more insightful with the Pareto chart. As in this video you already saw that I have already opened one Excel sheet and there is some random data. First of all, I would like to explain what kind of data is this, right? Okay, suppose if you are working in any company where you have some sort of data and your manager wants some parameters which are more hated by your quality analysis, which is found by your quality members, right? So suppose you have a number of employees in your team, 120, 50, 40, whatever the number. So there, these are the login IDs, name, the TL name, manager, process, inbound, outbound, or whatever, their date of joining, okay, and how long since they are working in the same company. Bucket, I mean, there are multiple type of bucket, like how long they are working in the same process or in the same company, the QC score, the quality score, the fatal, yes or no, grade, and the multiple things which is already mentioned in this data. So for Pareto we need only the parameters, right? So I have already changed the parameter name like parameter 1. I hope you have seen this data, parameter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the first step is to count the number of zeros. It means 0 means the mark down, where the person is marked down or to get 0 marks in a particular parameter. Like in this parameter, that particular person scores 0 and the parameter 1 scores have the weightage of 3 marks, right? So for this we need to go down, okay, and if you want to see the any kind of the formula, you can see here, right? Let me make it little bit bigger so you can see it very easily. So, okay, so we need to count the number of zeros, this one. So I have the data of around 2214 guys. So one by one, if you like to count one by one parameter, so it will be hard to count. The another method is to make here that your filter, and you can count your 0 marks, right? But it will take some time also. Like this, I already select 0 and remove all the other marks, and if I select only from here to till down, then I will found the count is 153 here, right? But there must be some easy way to count all these at once, right? So we have to put some, the formula which is accepted by the MS Excel. So what is this? That is, you need to mark equal to, right, count if, okay, this one. After count if, you need to click tab, then upper arrow, the upper arrow button, you need to click this one, okay. Then whenever you hit the upper arrow button, that particular cell, it will be selected, and now you need to select complete till the upper one. So for that you need to press shift, control and upper arrow. Then you will find out that till parameter 1 the whole column is selected, but we do not need to the cover up the parameter 1 where the block where we have written parameter 1, right? So for that we need to collect shift, press shift and arrow down, and now we need to lock it by mark comma. It is marked, now it is locked. After that we need to put inverted comma and we need to find out 0. Write 0 and inverted comma, then bracket close and then enter. Here is the number your 153, which is equal to 153, which we have found with the help of filter. Now we need to drag it to the end, right, till here. Then you will find out that all the zeros are already calculated with the help of this formula, with the countif, right? These are the frequency means which we need to find out. We need to find out the marked down parameters only, where the person is marked down. Okay, so in another we have to open the new sheet, and in new sheet we need to write down the parameter PARA parameters, then frequencies, then cumulative frequency, and the fourth one is cumulative frequency percentage. Okay, let's make it bold so it will be easy to read for all of us, and make it yellow. Okay, we have the raw data. We need to go again in the raw data section. We need to copy the parameters only. Okay, so to select complete parameters we need to again press shift, control and right arrow. Then we easily select the complete parameters and then control C. Okay, now we need to paste it from upside down, right? But in the raw data sheet the parameter written from left to right, but now we have to paste it from up to down. For it we need to paste it with the help of special paste, and the formula of special paste will be Control Alt and V. There is one special paste sheet will be open in your Excel sheet. We need to collect value and the transpose, make tick on transpose section as well, and then OK. It will make your parameters in upside down, right? Again we need to go to the raw sheet and we have to select the count which we have found, that is 0 in each parameters, right? That is 0. We need to find out 0 in each parameter, right? And this is our parameters or the frequencies for the desired parameter. We need to again select all these frequencies, then again shift, control and right arrow. We need to copy it, change the sheet. In F, in frequency, we need to again do the special paste, that is Control Shift V, again value and transpose. We need to do value each and every time, because if you don't tick in value, then it will copy the formula, not the value, and we need to paste the numbers only, not the formula. click on value, click on transpose, and then OK. Here is your frequencies, the zero frequencies, the markdown frequencies in each parameters, right? Okay, again we need to do filter over here. Why we need to put filter? For filter we need to press shift, control and L. It will automatic already paste your filter buttons in your heading. So I was saying why we need to make this filter, because we need to make it large to smallest filter. Okay, now the again section is we need to find out, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing, just to add your previous frequency to the current one. So how we can calculate is with the help of 0. So with the help of equal to left B2 and then enter. Okay, but in second we have to do like equal to upper button plus left button and then enter. This is the sum of this and this. Okay, and then we need to drag it till the end. The highest number will be your 6279. And now we need to find out the percentage of frequencies, means percentage of cumulative frequencies. There are two methods through which we can find out the percentage of your cumulative frequencies. There is one is hard one and another one is the easy one. Let go with the easy one, and it will go like equal to left arrow divided by the biggest number we have, that is 6279, and then simply enter. You will find a particular number. You just need to do select here, convert it to percentage, and make sure that the particular percentage must be converted into 2 decimal point. Okay, and then drag it to the end. You will find out the different kind of percentage according to the parameters. Now the hard one, the second one, that is cumulative frequency percentage second type. Okay, this is the same kind of with the help of this we can also find the same number, but the method will be the different. That is equal to select cumulative frequency divided by the before this we need to do sum of our complete frequency, that is equal to sum tab. We need to select here to end, bracket close, and then enter. The number will be 6279. Okay, the hard one. Equal to, we need to select cumulative frequency divided by, select this one. Okay, the sum of frequencies, that is B31, and then enter. Again we already get a number. We need to convert it into percentage till 2 decimal. You will found in easy method the percentage will be the same, but if we drag it to certain number of parameters, then it will show some error. It is because you already select one cell and there is few differences, so the code will be the like same. If I write the same number over here, like 6279, and if I enter, then you will see this one will become percentage over here, and I put enter like okay. This is an error. How we can solve it? We need to freeze data. How we can freeze it? It is very simple. There are two things we need to add. That is your sign of dollar. We need to put in numerical and in alphabetical words which we have selected. Before B, we need to put alphabet, sign dollar, and this one. If we make it dollar sign before B and before 31, make it enter. Okay, again the error will be the same, but now you have to drag it till the end. You will find that you already got the same kind of percentage which we already found with the help of easy method, right? I hope you already get the both kind of matter, like how we can calculate the cumulative frequency percentage. Now the main, how we can make the chart of Pareto, right? So for it, we need to select parameters and frequencies. Okay, and we need to select your, and we need to press control to select a cumulative frequency. Okay, I already pressed the control button, and then I drag the cumulative frequency. So I have select these data which is already in the target sheet. After that, I have to go in insert. Then you will find some different kind of the symbols over there, and we need to click on this symbol, right, which is already recommended for this. Click it. There is written one line written 2D column. We need to select 2D because it is easy to write, read and edit. Okay, so we get this chart, but this is not the Pareto chart. This is a simple chart, right? Now we need to click on these bars, right click, go to the format data series, and in the bottom you will find primary axis and secondary axis. You need to select secondary axis, okay, and close it. Now you will find that there are two color data showing for different data, right? So which you have selected right now in data, you will see the parameter and the cumulative frequency, but if you select the another one, then it will show you the parameter and frequencies. We need to select the cumulative frequency. Okay, select cumulative frequency percentage, right click, again format data series, sorry, we need to right click and click on the change series data. Okay, and there are different kind of chart is already there. Okay, we need to select this one, the second one, line of secondary, then okay. You will find out there are two charts integrated in the same chart. One is the bar chart and the second one is line chart. Line chart represent the cumulative frequency, and the bar is represent to the frequencies, right? But there are two data which we have to enter in this data. One is percentage. Percentage must be till 100%, but here is showing it is 120%. We need to just simply select, okay, right click, format axis, in maximum, bound in maximum, it will return 1.2, make it 1.0 and then enter, close it. Now you will get 100%. okay, again you need to click the same line, and the same line you need to again right click, okay, add data labels, add data label, okay, here is the percentage you will get. Okay, it is also called 80-20 rule. So if you want to set this chart with the with your manager or with your client, so you have to tell what are the parameters which are highly heated. So basically it is also called, as I already told you, it is also called 80-20 rules. So we need to mark it. How we can mark it? Just go and insert, select shape, select this one rectangular, here is your 80%, okay, 80%, select this one, okay, face shape and no fill. That's all. Thank you.